Oh, and you're a radical. What's going on in the Weber State Pond? That's not one dead seagull, that's two dead seagulls. What the hell? So, I see Idaho National Lab has going to do, the government, they've got a new contract to make little portable semi-truck drive around fairy tale nuclear reactors. This is the greatest ecological collapse in probably world history over the last 10 years. Well, human history. And nobody seems to be alarmed. I don't know what's going on here. Two dead seagulls. Huh. You know, we had a sewer leak, but I thought they had it fixed. Do I think that's what it is? I have no idea what it is. But it's not one, it's two. Scientists are mystified, they're baffled, they're puzzled, they're stumped, they're perplexed, they're bewildered at Weber State. I'm a butcher, what's a cow? I'm a baker, what's a cake? I'm a Weber State biologist, zoologist. I was an honor student zoologist here in the day. I'm not mystified, baffled, stumped, or perplexed. The acute radical collapse of this ecology. What's Fukushima? Very sad. I'll get to the bottom of it.